Hey class, welcome back to Medical Terminology 2. Today we're going to focus on Week 5, Graded Assignment, Chapter 13, Check Yourself. In order to open this assignment, we want to click on the green puzzle piece next to Week 5. This is going to load your Cengage ebook either in a new tab or in Moodle Rooms, it's going to pull up the Cengage box. Click on the blue hyperlink down here to take you into the assignment. Once the assignment is loaded, we want to ensure that we are working on the correct chapter. This week is Chapter 13. Once you're ready to start the assignment, click on the blue Start Assignment Now button. For this assignment, you have 10 multiple choice questions. Within each question, you have the ability to check your work before moving on to the next question. So, answer the question here, click on Check Your Work. If the answer is incorrect, try another answer and then move on to number 2. For example, I'm going to choose option D here. Click on Check My Work. The feedback button is going to come up showing us that this is incorrect. You can then change your answer and then move on to the next question. The ultimate goal of this assignment is to have a green check mark next to numbers 1 through 10. When you're finished with the assignment, click on the blue Submit Assignment for Grading button. This is going to pop up and ask you if you're ready to submit and exit this assignment. Click on the blue Submit for Grading button. The page will load and tell you what you've scored on this assignment. If you'd like to try the assignment again for a higher grade, you have the opportunity to do so 2 more times. Click on the blue Take This Again button to start the assignment over. If you have any questions about the assignment, reach out to your instructor or your academic coach. We're here to help. Good luck. See you next week.